Hello my friend, welcome to my video. Today I will tell you and show you how to assemble IKEA shelving system BROR 103.332.87. The IKEA BROR shelving system is an outstanding storage solution that impresses with its sturdiness and versatility. Designed to withstand moisture, dirt and heavy loads, it's a perfect fit for various environments, including garages, workshops and even home interiors. One of the standout features for the BROR shelving system is its remarkable sturdiness. Constructed from power-coated galvanized steel, this shelving unit not only supports significant weight but also resists rust effectively. This makes it highly durable over time, even in challenging conditions. For those concerned about assembly complexities, the BROR shelving unit offers a straightforward setup process. Its design ensures that you can have your storage system ready in no time without requiring specialized tools or expertise. BROR shelves boast a clean and minimalist design that allows them to blend seamlessly into any setting, whether you're looking to organize your workplace or add extra storage to your home. These shelves provide a practical yet stylish solution. Another great advantage of the BROR system is its adaptability. The option to add extra shelves means you can easily adjust the unit according to your evolving storage needs. This flexibility ensures that you can maximize space efficiently as your requirements change over time. The IKEA BROR shelving system combines strength, durability. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will try to answer you. Enjoy watching!